The second script I'm going to show you is the Active Directory one. I copied the files to the CCM12 automation, but not every single file because I only need the scripts folder and the config manager Active Directory schema extension. Now what I'm going to do is open the PowerShell as administrator again, and I'm going to change for CCM12 automation and set the execution policy remote signet. Why is different? Because this is on the C drive, then I don't need to set unrestricted. Now I'm going to use prepare Active Directory. I have two options. One is the Active Directory itself, like groups or use and so on, and the second one, the schema. I'm going to use the schema. The schema basically uses the extaddsch.exe now and run and check the file, the log file. In this case, I had already extended the schema once. Now, and see here I have before and after we have already exist. But the thing is, it's looking for this specific line, successfully extend the schema. Now, if it doesn't find this, then there is a problem. And the second option now I'm going to run is the Active Directory. Basically, ask us to enter the OU that we are going to create. Basically, this is the OU parent. Here I have already created, but in this case I would use headquarters. Now we have here headquarters. I don't need to create, it's going to create automatically for me this infrastructure. The OU for servers. In this case here I have I moved after the creation every single server to, but I'm going to use here the default one, is SCCM servers. You're going to see that's going to create. And every single computer that's going to be part of the config manager infrastructure. It's going to create a group that already exists here in my case, SCCM servers. Now it's going to add those here. In this case, you could use SCCM SRV 02, SRV 3, and so on. I'm going to use only those two. The OU name for groups. Now here we're going to have the groups. The SCCM servers group, SCCM admins group. That is going to add inside this group the user that's running this script. The service account that's going to create, I have already here service accounts, and many service accounts are already created. I will leave the default. And and which one is going to be this SQL Server reporting service? Are we going to create? Yes. Now I use SVC, Server Report Server Execution Account, and the password. Exactly the same for network account. If those already exist, it will ignore, and we are going to see this on the script. Client push. Exchange. And what's going to be the name for the Exchange connector? I will give this name. And you're going to create the join domain account. Yes, I use SVC join domain, and the password as well. And if you're going to give the rights to that account to join computers to the domain, yes, this is going to be the root domain. It's not going to be in specific OU. I started to create. I import the Active Directory. This script you need to run in any computer that has already the rights, or what I mean by that is any computer that we have the Active Directory stuff installed. This case is ignoring stuff because I read there. Let's see what's happened here. We have this new account instead of the old one. I'm just created to show you guys what exactly it does. And here in the headquarters, we have SCCM servers. Now it didn't put anything because I have the groups here and created Exchange connectors. And here in the servers, we have already those users. And SCCM admins, we have here my admin account. In my case here, let me just delete this SCCM servers. Oh, oops. Let's headquarters. Okay, let me delete the SCCM servers. And the other thing this script does, if I open here ADSCI edit, is to create the system management container and give it the right security. Now we have here SCCM servers. If you go to advanced, we have here SCCM servers for this object and all descendants objects. And also if I go here to the root domain and security, we have the SCCM join domain account. If I'm going to order, we have here validate DNS, all those options that we need to add a computer to a domain. And again, we have here a folder called logs to see exactly what happened. Now we have here. Now if needed, we can have a look in this log to see what exactly is, has been done by the script. Basically, it's exactly the same output we have here inside the PowerShell.